Hello, we're fixing everything, and today on this Zafira A or Mark 1 we'll change the window because this window is scratched. So the first thing we need to take is the door panel here, the door card, and there is 3 screws on the bottom. It's just a normal Phillips head. Now, there is a screw right here. There is a cap on top of it. And we just pull on this plastic and it comes out most of the time. Well, if you took it off more than once, or if it was taken off more than once, it's easier, but not now. Anyway, let's take, there is a bolt right there. And there is 2 in here for sure. I'll take the button out. There is no airbags in the door, so we're not going to take out the gum. Anyway. There we go. The second went out. What is this? Now, here behind the speaker, there is also one bolt, and this is nasty one because yeah, it doesn't want to sit in place most of the time. That's all the screws removed. I'll remove this one from here as well. Very interesting today. Okay, so if you choose a hot day, I think it's easier. But even if you don't, there you go. Like that. Now on the back here you need to poke, if you manage to see, you need to poke the plastic very nasty thing. Most of the time I can't reach it. I'll go and take another one. We're able to pull it out. Let's see now. There we are. You'll come out eventually. That's the door carpet removed. Now we need to take out a little bit of this. There is no need to take it up more than that. We only need access to here. How do we open this one? Now, the button, and we need to take a rail here. I think it's this one. That is riveted in. No check now. I'll just see what is on the other window and what exactly it's doing, but I think it needs to be removed. Okay, unfortunately for some reason my film stopped, so I drilled here a rivet and the rivet here. I pushed the rail to the right. I'll show you now. Rail to the right, and that's how it came out. Okay, so this, it's in the guide on the back. That's right. That's where it's guiding the window. Now we'll continue with the drilling. This thing needs to be drilled here as well. And we'll take it out just like that. So when we put the window down, there we go. Let's see, there is two bolts here that needs to be undone. Can you see? So let's put it back in the rail. There we go. Now, can you see the two bolts? They need to be undone as well. I hope you see. Actually, let's make sure you see. There's a bolt here which needs to be undone. And now one on the top as well. On the bottom, I mean. Okay. This is the guide that is on the side, and now we'll see I'll just take the window to one side, then I'll pull out out the cable for the central locking, because it's a little bit in the way. Like this. There we go, yeah. So you can see here. Now we'll take it out. There we go. There's the window removed. You can see the nasty scratches. I don't know if you can, but they're here. So now let's get the new window in. Okay. So now you can see here that when they removed it, they left one of the guide pins in. So just throw it away. Important is to be careful when you're buying it. Numbers here have to be the same. This is exactly the same. Exactly the same. So let's guide it in. It went out through this. Here. You know, we can give it a little like Okay. Now let's put it down. This thing went inside. It knows its place. Why you didn't go out? That's the cable for the central locking. It went in and locked itself back on. Okay, so now let's lock this thing back in. Almost in, maybe. Not exactly. Almost in, almost. Oh, just a little bit. There we go. So, two things need to be riveted back in, and now we'll use 4mm rivets because I have only 4mm. Let's see now. Where is this? Oh, okay. I don't know how is this thing meant to be. Maybe like this. Yeah, maybe. But I need to take the rivets out first. Okay, so let me take the rivets out. I'll bring some rivets and I'll rivet it back on. Okay, so where are we? Here. I think that you didn't see anything from what I was doing, but you get what I was doing anyway. Okay, so let's try to take this thing out. That's very good for taking rivets out. Then you have one sitting here. So how does it doesn't matter. I don't think it matters. One. Where is it? Where is it? Should be here somewhere. Oh, there you go. One. And two. fits in nicely. Good. Let's put the window up, or at least try to. Good. And now we need to take this nice little rail and put it in. Don't forget the locking. I need to put the locking as well. Let's put the locking now. Are the rivets out? No. Let's take the rivets out. Brilliant. And now the rail, unfortunately I can't show you, I can't really see, but what I can do is just try to it's on this side somehow or something like that. How did I put it back? How did I take it out? Anyway, maybe a little bit onto this side. It's gonna be a struggle. I'll stop the video because it will take a while. It took a little bit of time. I'll try to show you where it needs to go. Right there. So I'll just slide it in. Yeah. You see, it goes all the as the rail here. Now I'll rivet in this position. This position will speed up the video, and that should be it.